Maddie and John loved watching the sky after the rain, eagerly waiting for the rainbow. One day, however, it didn't appear. Curious, they climbed to the top of the hill and saw something unbelievable. Gray clouds covered the sky, and no colors shone. Suddenly, a fluffy cloud began to speak. The rainbow has disappeared because the colors are fighting. They live in their own clouds but can no longer work together. Determined, John said. We need to help them come back. Maddie and John climbed onto the magic cloud, which took them to the first resident, Red. He was sulking, arms crossed. I'm not going back. Orange said I'm too loud. Maddie smiled and said, You are strong and brave, but you also need to listen to others. Red thought for a moment and agreed to return. On the next cloud, they found Orange, who sighed. Yellow thinks he shines brighter than me. That's not fair, John replied. You both bring joy. The sky needs both of you to shine truly bright. Orange reflected and decided to return. On each new cloud, they helped green, blue, indigo, and violet understand that every color was special. When the last color agreed to return, something magical happened. A bright light filled the sky, forming a radiant rainbow. The children cheered, and Red said, We've learned that we are stronger together. Maddie and John smiled. They understood that respecting differences makes everything more beautiful, just like a rainbow in the sky. And so, every time they looked up after the rain, they remembered the importance of unity and friendship.